let's learn how to calculate the square root of 72.89 using logarithm table and law of indices. Solution. Let's rewrite our number 72.89, which can be written as 72.89 raised to the power of 1 over 2 from law of indices, where we have root of a of x equals x raised to the power 1 over a. Now here, we represent 72.89 as 10 raised to the power of a particular value. And to do that, we need to find out the logarithm of 72.89. So let's do that at the side. Log of 72.89. To do that, we first express 72.89 in standard form. And that gives 7.289 times 10 raised to the power of 1. So that means log of 72.89, the integer part is 1 point. Now we look for the value under logarithm table, 72 under 8 difference 9. When you check a logarithm table, 72 under 8 gives 8621. A difference of 9 gives 5, and we add them together, which gives us 8626. So we have 1.8626 here, and that means 10 raised to the power of 1.8626 would give 72.89. Then everything all raised to the power of 1 over 2. Also, applying another law of indices, this becomes equal to 10 raised to the power, we multiply the powers, 1.8626 times 1 over 2. From the law of indices, where you have, whenever you have powers like this becomes equal to x raised to the power of a times b. Now let's simplify this at this side. We have 1.8626 and we have to divide by 2. So 2 goes there 1, 2 goes in 1, that's 0. In 18 we have 9, in 6 we have 3, in 2 we have 1, in 6 we have 3. So that gives us 0.9313. So this becomes 10 raised to the power of 0.9313. And to find this is the same thing as having the antilog of 0.9313 equals, now to find the antilog of 0.9313, we only check the decimal part, that is 9313, under the antilog table by reading 93 under 1. 93 under 1 would give 8531. Then difference 3 gives 6. 3 1 plus 6, we have 3 7. And this integer part, the 0 that we have here, determines where the decimal place is going to be. Since we have 0 as the integer part, that means our decimal point will be after the first digit, 1, the decimal point. And that gives us the square root of 72.89 as 8.537 using logarithm table and indices. Thank you.